Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. This is Chef Ajay Chopra and I'm here to solve your tiffin troubles. Well, we know that every one of you goes through that challenge कि आज क्या बनाएं? Well, weekend है, कुछ चटपटा बनाते हैं. You know what? I just love the fact that India's most loved chefs have come together and created 200 recipes for 200 school days. Well, this weekend I'm going to cook for you a lovely roasted sweet potato and barley tikki. Well, tikki सुनते ही थोड़ा सा लगता है चटपटा, एकदम fatty, but no. This is really healthy. तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे बनता है हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. सबसे पहले मेरे पास एक पैन है जिसमें मैं इन ओट्स को टोस्ट करूंगा. आई जस्ट नीड देम नाइसली टोस्टेड. So we're going to toast them till the time it's almost roasted golden brown. And simultaneously, what I'm going to do is start making the mixture. Get all these roasted, grated, cold sweet potato into a bowl. Soak barley. Barley is a heavily nutritious grain. It's an old grain which is not being used so widely these days, but actually the trend is coming that all these lost grains will be used. So barley, some chopped ginger, chopped coriander, one full chopped onion. Okay, some nice zinginess with some chopped green chilli. If you don't want green chilli, you can avoid it. Then we're going to start seasoning it with some salt, turmeric to give it a nice color as well as a flavor, some lovely Garam masala powder, a little coriander powder, just a pinch of jeera powder, and finally some red chili powder. Now we're going to make it a little more zingy with some lemon juice, a little bit of chaat masala, and finally for the tanginess, some lovely Kissan Tomato Ketchup. Well, it's going to obviously give it a beautiful tomato-y flavor, but also just take the zing up really well. So a good serving of ketchup in the tikki. Now let's just bring everything together, make it into like a dough. All right. And now, okay, this lovely oats, nicely toasted. Transfer it onto a plate. So get these ingredients right in together. Let's get some of these toasted oats right in here, and some of it I'm going to coat it. So this is going to give it a double texture, some oats inside and some oats outside. Okay, so this mixture is ready. Now I have a slurry which is made with maida and pani. I'm going to just dip my tikki in this and then just coat that with the oats. Take a little bit of that mixture, just kind of make it into a nice teardrop shape. I love teardrop shape, just like a cutlet. Now we're going to put some oil in the pan just to make sure that we are keeping it healthy. Now just lightly dipping this in the batter, excess batter out, roll it in the oats. All right, so the oats are going to get nice and golden brown, just about a minute on each side on medium heat. We don't want too harsh so that the oats and the mixture kind of gets burnt. Maybe drizzle some oil in the center if you'd like, just to get that nice crusty oats. There you go. Well, this is not just for tiffin, for kids. This actually can be consumed by anybody who's on a diet because the carb level is really low. Okay, ready to go onto the tiffin. Okay, some lovely walnuts to go into the tiffin box, and fresh pomegranates, kiwis, Always great to have fresh fruits in your tiffin. Well, this is done. This is absolutely healthy as well as nice and zingy. I hope this recipe is gonna elevate your weekend to a new level. And I also hope that you like the recipes throughout the week. Well, if you did, then do subscribe to India Food Network and keep watching us on Kissan Tiffin Timetable, because that's where we come with Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.